The graphic design industry may soon be going out of business, or at least the most of it. And this is because AI tools like MidJourney are rising to the top, replacing the need for a graphic designer and putting back thousands of dollars back into your pockets. In today's episode, we'll explore how MidJourney AI can be your graphic designer friend and help you design websites, illustrations, posters, and marketing campaigns. MidJourney is an AI trained on millions and millions of images and their descriptions. We can think of it like having a fantastic photographic memory, literally. It has seen so many pictures that it can draw new pictures based on the details of similar pictures it has stored in its memory. Think of it like memorizing a giant photo album and the captions for each photo. By doing this, MidJourney knows how to connect images with the relevant words. For example, it would know what a sunset looks like or what we mean by a futuristic city. You may wonder, how does it understand what the user wants? Using MidJourney is like playing Pictionary with friends. You ask it to draw something and it creates a new picture based on what it understands from your instructions. For example, when you ask it to draw a dog on a skateboard in space, it starts by first figuring out what a dog looks like and keeps thinking about more details around what it would look like on a skateboard. And then finally the space in the background based on its artificial intelligence. And again, it can do this because it has seen lots and lots of pictures of dogs, skateboards, and space. Now all it has to do is combine them all together into a meaningful image. Once it has a rough idea of what it needs to draw, it starts by drawing the first subject and then continuing on to the next one. In our example, the AI draws what a dog looks like first and then continues to add a skateboard into the frame. After that, it throws the dog and the skateboard into the space, all based on the imagination or simply based on its memories of dogs, skateboards, and space. At this point, one might wonder, how does it know that it has drawn a good enough image to present back to you? Once the first version of the image is ready, which probably is not the best, MidJourney tries to put everything into perspective and is ready to make further refinements based on further instructions. You can ask it to make the dog's head bigger or add some coloring on the skateboard. It's like asking your graphic designer to make changes based on what you would like more to make the image even better until you absolutely love it. The AI will honor your feedback, update its understanding, and add the touch-ups that you ask. What do you think? Is it as perfect as the Picasso or Leonardo da Vinci? Let's find out. MidJourney is a program and it needs clear instructions to sketch what you need. Sometimes it may draw a weird looking dog or with 5 legs. When it does so, it's simply trying to recall its memory and draw everything from scratch, and it's not perfect. It does not always understand like us humans do. All we have to do is to kindly ask it to add more corrections to the image and it will deliver without complaints. Rest assured, it will get better over time based on all the new images that it generates and continuously updates its intelligence from user feedback. So, MidJourney is a blend of a massive photo album, a fantastic memory, and a bit of imagination that's ready to start drawing for you, and it's all packed up into an app. All you need to do is describe what you want MidJourney to draw for you. For example, a puppy and his girlfriend on a motorcycle. Please like and subscribe for more episodes like this. Also, comment how you're using MidJourney to help with your graphic design needs.